nice.
I'm recording, so nobody say anything bad.
How cute. These are cute. Whee!
Walk up to
Take your bag.
Go say trick or treat.
Come on.
Go with Mama.
Follow Mama.
Ooh, look. Pretty.
Come on.
All the lights.
Oh yeah, they have things that move, so you'll probably want to go with her.
She's really filling out, isn't she?
Here, go ahead. Some of the skeletons do, so I don't know. They're over to the right, so I think you're okay.
Say trick or treat.
Oh, they might not even have you ring the doorbell. Maybe is food right here?
No. Oh, is this it?
I don't know.
But you know, she likes all that stuff in the store. Yeah.
I guess.
Here.
Look, you want to pick a treat?
Pick a bag. Take a bag.
Oh, so
No, the bag.
I guess there's no like sign or anything, so I don't
Pick it
know.
up.
maybe they're
Put it in your
trick-or-treating.
basket.
They probably are.
Ooh.
Good idea.
There you go.
Yay! Show us what you got.
What'd you get, Alyssa?
Can you show it to Dada?
Alyssa, show Yaya what you got.
Let's see what you got.
Pull it out of your basket.
You do it. Here, take it. Show her. Show Mama. Show Yaya.
Ooh.